Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now. Fast travel to the dungeon or site tied to the Fingerseal questline. Do not delay. Once there, inspect the environment for hidden doors and interact with NPCs you previously ignored, because dialogue flags unlock the seal path. Make sure to equip your strongest ash of war and consumables. Preparation shortens execution. You will trigger the first puzzle the moment you pull the lever, so be intentional, move forward, and keep an eye on the map markers while enemies respawn. Once inside the chamber, you must manipulate the mechanism in the right sequence. Listen for audio cues and watch light changes because they indicate correct plates. You will face a mid-boss that guards the next access. Stagger its pattern, punish after heavy swings, and conserve flasks. This encounter opens a gate. Next, a timed platform sequence requires precise jumps and sprinting. Practice the rhythm and use a torrent mount if allowed to maintain momentum and finish the mechanical puzzle. You arrive at the altar. Insert the Fingerseal key item and initiate the ritual. This triggers the final unlock sequence and often a scripted combat or cinematic. Stay mobile, interrupt enemy casts, and prioritize the pseudo-boss because its death completes the seal. Once done, collect the reward quickly, then rest at the nearest site of grace. If the seal fails to open, reload your save, rest to reset flags, and retry the sequence. This usually resolves trigger bugs or missing NPC.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.